Wendy Pearson from Philadelphia. I said, Mother, I'm a grown woman, and you can't tell me how to live my life. She said, you're still my child, and as long as you're living under my roof, you'll do as I say. I said, that is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. I pay half the bills around here. The phone, the cable, most of your clothes. And she said that she hates the clothes that I buy her, that I eat all the groceries, which is a total crock. Because I noticed she wears them every time she leaves the house. She leaves the house, she wears something that I bought her. You would think they would at least get me a vote. I said, Mother, I'm not asking for the Hope Diamond. I just want the house to myself for an evening to cook and have a friend over for dinner. She's just an old army buddy. Is that so terrible? Is that so much to ask? She said, no, no, no. Not under my roof. Not as long as I'm alive. And that's when I snapped. I'm ashamed, though. I'm sorry. But I realized that my whole life has been for this very moment.